the first snow of this winter. Absolutely gorgeous. Absolutely love it. I hardly can wait until I can do some snowshoeing. Hi, welcome to my channel, Ruby Crochet Tejido, Ruby Stedman. Remember that I'm going to put the Ruby Stedman in front of the Ruby Crochet Tejido. I'm going to keep the entire name like that. But when you search my name, Ruby Stedman, my channel will be there, or Ruby Crochet Tejido, my channel will be there. It's just a little bit of a change. So I'm working here in a crochet sweater that is absolutely gorgeous. Just working on one of the sleeves, and because I have to, figure out how to do one of the sleeve and then record for the other one. I already finished the tutorial for that beautiful knitted sweater. I still have to edit the video, that I will do that after I finish this small blog. I absolutely love that sweater. I am going to Nora's house today, and maybe I will put it on because it's really cold outside. I'm gonna give you a little clip here. That way you see how we have the backyard right now. It's really cold. Winter is here, so we have to dress really, really warm here in Canada. So I'm doing this beautiful crochet sweater. I already have one that I made with leftover yarn. It's a little bit like this, done a little bit but different. I'm gonna leave the link here just in case you don't see in that video. It's good to use the leftover yarn. And I have many sweaters in my channel and cardigans. I've been crocheting and knitting over the years, but it's time to give my crocheters a little bit of a few pieces, because I tend to knit more in the winter because it's really cold here, and I like the knitted piece a little bit better than crochet. But the ones in crochet, they look amazing as well. I'm working here with 3 strands of yarn. That way my sweater is nice and thick and warm, and with the big crochet hook. So let me finish this round and the sleeve, that way I will show you. And I have tons of knitted sweater as well. This one that I have on is one of them. The one that I did with leftover yarn is like this. The open of the neck is like this one, but this one gonna have a color, and they are absolutely gorgeous. So I have many other sweaters and cardigan and other tutorials that you can search just by searching. If you want to see hats, yes, you search how to knit hat with Ruby Stedman, or how to knit a hat with Ruby Crochet Tejido, and a pile of hats of my tutorial, or a sweater, or whatever you want, a dress, a blouse, whatever you want to search. You just put my name in it and it will show up on your screen. So I'm almost done this round. I'm working just in the round with no decrease. I've done all the decrease that I need to do for the sleeve. I just given the length, and then I start recording the rest. So I decided as I work here, I will chit chat with you guys. So and then let me do my slip stitch. I will show you. This is the sleeve that I'm working, and then the decrease. Now it's just straight until I have the length. Now we'll get back to check one side. I'm working with 3 strands, and look how gorgeous this look, and a little bit open in the side like that, and with this in the top like that. So it's looking absolutely gorgeous so far. I absolutely love the way I look. Remember, I already have tons of sweaters in my channel. I have this one my latest. I absolutely love this. If you have teenagers at home or anybody that likes short sweater, they are the style crop sweater. They are very easy to do. And remember, I made them with this colorful yarn, but you can do them just in one color. They will look absolutely gorgeous as well. They look amazing. I have one of my subscribers that made this sweater, Moni Machalova Nestovalova. I hope I'm pronouncing your name right. I'm gonna leave a picture here. Thank you for making this beautiful sweater. Just like this one. She did an amazing job. Thank you. And remember, I have this one as well. These are absolutely gorgeous little and fast to do crop top sweater or cardigans. And I want to make one like this one, but for Christmas with Santa Claus here. I already have I created the little graph for the Santa Claus, and I just had to start doing it, a little short one like this. And I made these buttons for this sweater with polymer clay. That way they match the color of the sweater. They're absolutely gorgeous. And for this one as well, I did the polymer clay buttons. That way they match the color of the sweater. And I have this super size sweater that I put on for a short the other day. It's absolutely gorgeous and warm and very fast to do. And I always try to do my pieces very easy. That way everybody, even a beginner, can make this. You just have to knit in the right side and purl on the wrong side. And then this is just done by hand, sewn by hand with the black yarn. And it's absolutely gorgeous. And I'm working as I work in this one, I'm working in another one. This one, it will be for a cardigan, a crochet cardigan. Look how gorgeous this look. This is the blend of two yarn. It's a bulky 5 and a very fine yarn that is like this. I'm mixing the two of them and they look amazing. The combination is amazing. I'm working a very colorful pieces because I love the way that one look. And I said to myself, oh, well, I have to give my crocheter a few pieces, you know, like a blend of different color. This one is just the yarn. Well, I did a ball of yarn with the two strands already together, but it's a ball of yarn that I have them there, those ones, in bulky 5. And with one strand, it's amazing. I'm working in both this one and that one almost at the same time. And it's like this one. This one that I have on is a square, a mighty square, I think they call it. That is like this sweater. You see, like this square. This one is done with a smaller size square. This one is just one big one for the front, one big one for the back, and the sleeve. Very easy to do. I'm gonna leave here a little video clip. My friend Maria is making this beautiful sweater and she's working in this part. She'll send me a video clip. I'm gonna leave that video clip here. Also, she made the snowman's hat, crochet snowman hat for her granddaughter, and I'm gonna leave that picture here. Thank you, my dear friend Maria, for making those beautiful pieces. And Brian Dyer, she made another beautiful hat. It was the little hat with a little dog head in the front. It looked amazing. Thank you for sharing your picture. And if you guys want me to say hi and share some of the stuff that you make from my channel, you just have to send me the picture and I will share it here. And I want to thank you anyway for watching my videos. I really appreciate you guys doing that and doing my designs. I really work hard for these pieces because it's a lot of work designing and recording, editing, doing all that work at the same time, and you know, taking care of Willie some time. I have William here since Friday. Friday was PD day, and now tomorrow, Monday, they have another strike at school. Very smart, the people at school, the education board, because always, every year at this time of year, near Christmas time, they always go and strike. So that way they have chance to go shopping for Christmas gift. I figured that. But yeah, they deserve it. They are the one that educate our kids. So I have William here. I'm going to Nora's house. She's already calling me to see when I'm coming to bring Willie. She don't see Willie since Friday, and she wants to see him, and then she will bring back him tomorrow. So I'll have him here tomorrow again. So I have to do all that at the same time as recording the videos and all that stuff. So right now he's with Phil outside because the pump that we have for taking the water out of the pond, it broke. So we ordered one on Amazon and it got here yesterday. And today they are breaking the ice on the pond because we have some snow. And they cleared the snow and they broke the ice, and now they're taking the fish out because that pump broke. So we bring those babies inside. So I continue working on my sweater. I will give Nora a call because she's wondering when we're coming. I'm almost done this sleeve. Just a few more stitches and I will call Nora. So all my videos I always have to record in Spanish, English, so I record a clip in Spanish, a clip in English, and that is always what I do for my channel. So it's a lot of work to have a channel with both language. I'm gonna leave here a small video clip of something that happened at one of the bathroom window upstairs in Nora's bedroom. The good and the bad of living in the country. Something that I wasn't expecting. I was downstairs, I hear a noise, and I don't know what it was, and Nora came home. And when she came upstairs to her room, she said, "What happened to my window?" And look, a pheasant flew to the window and broke my window. Look at the blood there. Unbelievable. Look at the huge hole. Look at the huge hole. From outside, you can see that. I'm glad the window is double, but the entire thing is gone. Imagine, we'll be freezing inside then. He hit hard. He's dead. Also, if you live in a place where you don't get very cold winter, I have some pieces like this one. Look how nice this look. This you can put on with the little long sleeve and it will be perfect. I have this one short sleeve and I have one long sleeve as well, adult size. This one is now a little bit big on me, but still, even oversized, it looks really nice with a long sleeve top. It will look amazing. And I have the long sleeve version and I have a kids version out of this, but more like a sweater because it's done with a smaller size hook, and then it's a little more thick and more a small stitch. But they are really gorgeous and they look really nice, very easy to do. I always try to do my project very easy, that way everybody that see my tutorials can make some of my piece. The same, you see those little mannequin pieces there, all those tutorials, the little dress, the poncho, the little bolero in the back, all those are in my channel. I have tons and tons of video. So if you don't know how to knit and you want to learn, I have a tutorial that everybody said that each time they try, each person that tried that tutorial is only comment that they learn to knit with that video. That was really easy. And the same with crochet. If you want knit and you want to learn how to crochet, I also have a beginner tutorial to learn how to crochet. So I always try to do my tutorial very easy. That way everybody can either learn, or if you know a little bit, you can do some of my pieces. And sometimes just by changing, for example, if I do a piece, and for example this one, if you want to make it just a little bit smaller, because this is one size, you know, if you change the amount of stitches, you will change, you don't can do this one. The only thing that you can change is the thickness of the yarn and the size of the hook. So if you want to do this smaller, the only thing you have to do is change the hook a couple of sizes down, and this will be smaller because the stitches will be much smaller. I did this with a, I think it was a 9mm crochet hook, so it's a big and a medium 4 yarn, so it's a big hook. So I just wanted to mention that. Also, I have tons of hats for kids, for adults, for babies, and the same neck warmer, a scarf. I have dress, I have blouses, tons of stuff on my channel. So now I'm gonna stop my vlog here because Nora keep calling me because she's anxious to see Willie. And remember, the best way for you guys to help me is by giving like to my channel, or leaving a comment and sharing my videos in different groups with friends and family, because that's the way YouTube works. The more people like, the more people comment, and the more people share. Usually the more people like and comment, when somebody search for a tutorial or for a channel or for a video, mine will show a little bit more because the people like it. So that's the best way to help me here in YouTube, to show the appreciation for all my hard work. So I'm not begging, it's up to you. If you like my tutorial, if you want to share, if you want to give it a thumbs up, it's up to you. And if you want me to share anything that you do from my channel, don't forget to send me a picture in my Facebook page, Ruby Neck Crochet Tejido, or my Instagram, Ruby Neck Crochet Tejido. I wish you have a beautiful weekend. Bye. See you here next time.